Hey gang, or should I say Jumbo Gang, since we're at Animal Kingdom today. They have a brand new animation academy I want to check out. I don't know what it's about. Let's go have a wild time. Now before you do anything in Animal Kingdom, the first thing you need to do is you need your creatures to be comfortable. And unironically, I happen to be a creature and I would like to be comfortable, meaning it's time to get some coffee. You know that I love me some paper straws. I don't actually love paper straws. I get that they make things taste weird and they disintegrate a little bit. What I love is the meaning behind them. And I think it's so awesome just that Disney is, you know, trying in a very, very small way to make our planet better. Because it's a pretty awesome planet. Speaking of planets, it's time to go to Rafiki's planet because that's where the Animation Academy is. Sure what to expect with this Animation Academy. The one that they had at Hollywood Studios, they would pick basically a character, Goofy, Mickey, Donald, teach you how to draw it, you would draw it, and then you got to take home the drawing with you. So I'm interested to see how they implemented it over here. It's definitely hidden. You have to take a train to get to it, but I'm glad they're doing something with this space because I really like the Animation Academy because I cannot draw for Gotta grab a pencil. Ooh, and they already have like a little face layout. I wonder who we're doing. Who could that be? Oh, look, they have Grandmother Willow over here. That's really neat. Oh, that's so cool. This over here reminds me of Tarzan and the Great Movie Ride. Johnny Weissmuller swinging through the trees.
Coming to the yard and just studying our animals and, you know, developing their characters.
Greatest inspiration often comes from the magic of nature. Walt Disney himself understood the importance of spending time around animals.
This is the animation experience here at the Conservation Station. Favorite characters actually from the classic Lion King movie, one of the hyenas from the film. And I know in the film they get a bad rap as villains, but hyenas are actually really, really cool animals. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna bring a live hyena right here into the theater. No. I know, I'm sorry, we can't do that. We are going to draw Ed, the hyena from the Lion King. Smaller oval and the bigger oval right in between our guidelines there. Kind of like a nice big egg shape. And if it's not exactly the same, great. Remember, this is Ed we're talking about. So he is deranged, he is demented, and he is completely off his rocker. He is kind of cute. So we want to give Ed some cute little chubby cheeks. But I'm going to draw them in nice and light right here, starting at the base of the ear. Right or on the left, wherever you've got a little bit of room for it. When you're done, he is yours to keep and take home with you. And you don't even have to feed him, which is really good.
I feel like I did pretty good. It looks like it. But now I'm realizing how much Ed looks like Stitch. He's like a deranged Stitch. If Stitch could be more deranged than he already is. a sweet little family on the train. They were friends of the vlog, and she had triplets. 3 daughters. I said, that is some girl power right there. Nice to meet you guys. I don't know about you. All that illustrating made me as hungry as a hyena. So we need to go find some food. So I think I decided to head into Pandora for a quick bite to eat. I snagged a quick same-day fast pass for River Journey, and I'm like, this is awesome. A lot of you guys don't know. You think if you like don't have fast passes weeks in advance or the night before that they're all gone, keep checking throughout the day. I was just sitting on the train ride back and just checking 1 o'clock, checking 2 o'clock, and all of a sudden, one popped up. So like, never stop trying for a really good fast pass because they're out there. Since I have eaten at Satuli, and every once in a while I get a craving for these little cheeseburger pods, and they are so doughy and delicious, and I'm very hungry. I wanted to hop into the Wind Traders really quick because the last time I was here was the last day of my birthday trip, and I didn't shoot. I wanted a day just at the park where I wasn't shooting, and we came to Animal Kingdom, and there were bags here that were so dope, and so I want to show you. They're Banshee bags, you know. You gotta get your Banshee bag. I don't know why I like them so much. I think that they are just so dope. Like, I just would wear this just with like normal clothes, not even at Animal Kingdom. And its little tail. Huh? Go ahead and get it. I know, I need to get it. Yeah, it's like so tiny. It's so funny. This guy caught a little fly. Trip onto the Navi River Journey. I think I ran wild enough today. We had some great food. I got to see that Animation Academy. I highly recommend coming to do that because you never know how long they're gonna keep something like that around. Really good trip. I probably won't be back here until September. When I do come back in September, I'm gonna be here for a whole mother freaking week. I'm not gonna tell you where I'm staying, but I'm really pumped. But for now, peace, love, and positivity, all the good things. Bye.